Good morning. Welcome to the official kickoff of the Louisiana Overland Adventure Trail load. We're down here in Louisiana on the Gulf. If you remember back to Alaska, the doors leaked when it rained. Yep, the doors leaked when it rained again. All right, so this is the first time I've driven on a beach. I've driven in sand, but never a beach. I'm staying on the roadish area. I haven't aired down. I'm in two-wheel drive. The booney's pulling nicely. The Jeep's handling it quite well. Now I'm sure if I got out towards the surf and the softer sand, it'd be a lot different. But I'm traveling solo, so I'm gonna elect to be a little bit on the safer side. Well, after about 7.5 miles on the beach, we turned on to blacktop and we're continuing the load. One thing I am concerned about is the weather. It's 61 degrees, it's foggy, it's supposed to be nice today. A little bit of rain here this morning, but I've got an alert that we have winter storms coming in, huge ice potentials. But then when I look at the weather online, it's showing pretty moderate until the weekend. So I don't know. So part of the load is the Pintail Wildlife Drive, and we're going to take a drive around that, take a look at it. Doesn't look like it's very long, but they have a sign. Holy buckets, I cannot believe this. This is awesome. Check this out. Oh, wow. That is right on the trail. And he has got to be about 6 foot from tip to, well, he's taller than I am. That is so cool. Wow, Louisiana, you're not disappointing on this trip. So I just ran into a local and we're talking about the gator I just saw. And what she was saying is that is actually a small gator. And on warm days, they're usually laying on this boardwalk. So this just happened. Well, let's see if I can get myself out. We got somebody pulling up, see if maybe we can hook onto them. So here's an update. The guy that just stopped does not have anything big enough for me to winch off of to get out. So by hooking to the pole, it keeps pulling me further to the right. I need something to the left to pull me up and out of the ditch. Traction boards aren't going to help. So now I'm just waiting on somebody with a big truck to drive by and help.
don't do your winch no more because it's all the way up.
All right, that was quite the detour, but we're out. Traction boards, tow strap, winch, and a full-size pickup. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it to camp or where I planned on camping tonight, so I guess we're on to plan B. All right, we're gonna take a break and stop at Knott's Cajun Restaurant. See if we can't get some true Creole Louisiana Cajun food. All right, we're gonna try the shrimp and crab gumbo. This ought to be good. Alright, it's getting late and it's starting to get dark, and I have not seen any place to camp, so we are on the hunt for a place to set up for the evening. Alright, so we are at the Ark Campground. It's on the Lote website. It's a very quiet, private site. There's only a few spaces. I'm here by myself. Everyone keeps talking about a storm that's getting ready to come in, so I am kind of watching that. Well, I can definitely say that the recovery gear has paid for itself today. The traction boards got used, the winch, and the tow strap, and some random strangers full-size pickup. But it's all part of the adventure. Part of the trip is logging it, something I started doing, and it just makes things a lot easier and a lot more entertaining. When I get home, I can look back through my journal and see just what happened on the trip.